We're the Huston sisters. Hi guys, so today is Sunday and we are on our way to brunch. Tiffany is driving. We are going to we're finna be on our way to, I think it's called Tupelo Honey Cafe, but that's where we're going to be on our way to, you guys. So right now we are driving. We probably have like what, 40 more minutes?
We have 25 minutes.
Oh, 25 minutes left, you guys. Way off, but probably because there's hardly no traffic since it is still kind of early. But on the way back it's probably going to be some traffic. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you watch the whole video, you guys. Bye. Hi guys, so as you've seen, we've pulled up. We've just now parked. Tiffany's getting out the car right now. And we have to walk like over there, like actually right here. That's where it is, right there. Right there. Right there. So you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's cool today, but it feels good, kind of cool, but it's still cold. Yeah, so where are we, in Buckhead?
Yeah, well, yeah, Buckhead.
We're in Buckhead, around Sandy Springs area, you guys. So yeah, there's a lot of little stuff over here. But we're going to Tupelo Honey Cafe, if that's how you pronounce it. So hi you guys, so we have finally gotten seated. We just ordered our drinks. I ordered a lavender lemonade, Jeremiah ordered a water, and Tiffany ordered
A blueberry lavender mimosa.
just in case you didn't hear her, she said blueberry lavender mimosa. It's loud in here, you guys. So yeah, so we're just about to order what we want. We're gonna look at the menu and order what we want. I kind of have a feeling what I'm gonna get, you guys. So yeah, we'll be back when we actually get our food, or some kind of food or drinks or whatever. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys.
Yeah, what she said. Okay guys, so tasting the grits and the
Fried green tomato.
yeah. All right, so if you don't know me, like, I love grits. Like, you don't get your grits right. Listen.
You gotta taste your fried green tomato with the grits.
So the grits are like I think they're stone ground grits.
What is that?
They're like the bigger grits. And but they're really tasty. Could have been warmer, but really tasty. They don't need that many they don't need any seasoning at all. It's really good. All right, so I'm gonna taste the tomato. Pretty good. Let's taste it together.
I don't like grits, so I like it by itself. But with the tomato, I think it tastes good.
So you ate the grits and the tomato together?
Because I have no choice.
Oh. Why you had no choice?
Because the tomatoes on top of the grits.
Oh, okay. Let's see. I think it tastes better with the grits.
Yeah, 'cause I don't like grits.
Alright, so one good so far.
What's it so far so good? It's
Yeah.
good so far.
The blueberry mimosa was pretty good. It's pretty good. I think I might get me another one. And Brittany likes her lavender lemonade. We'll be back. Brittany's eating her biscuit. You try that. It's good. So we'll be back when we get there with our food. So trying the sriracha chicken and waffles. I need me some syrup. Ooh. I should have got the sauce on the side. Chicken is good, but it's not hot. Neither is the waffle. I have eggs. I got an egg scrambled with cheese. And I have my mac and cheese. Eggs taste like eggs. Mac and cheese is good, y'all. And now I'm tasting the collards with bacon.
You don't like it? Is that cool? Which color would you come back?
The collards are good, but they're cold.
They're cold?
Yeah, they're not even warm. But nope, they're cold. They're not warm, room tip or anything. So we're gonna finish eating. We'll give you our full review once we're done. So y'all know this thing is all about presentation.
She didn't eat the blueberries.
It does not matter.
They're sitting right there.
It doesn't matter. It's all about presentation. So
I want me another lemonade.
we're gonna see how it tastes. Brittany wants her another lemonade. Still tastes good. It tastes really good. I just wanted my presentation. But anyways, we'll see you guys in just a little bit.
Hi, you guys. So we have our to-go boxes.
So sorry about our bags. Jeremiah didn't want to record. He was acting all shy, but he's not even in the video. But anyways,
so we got our to-go boxes and everything. You guys, I had what did I have? I had green tomatoes with the grits. I also had the cauliflower tacos, 2 cauliflower tacos. I had the 2 biscuits, the potatoes, and then I had 2 lemonades, lavender lemonade, Tupelo. I think it's Tupelo.
Tupelo.
Whatever.
Tupelo.
It's the lavender lemonade is bomb. Like, it's really good. So Tiffany, what did you have?
I had the sriracha chicken and waffles. I had bacon, cheese, eggs. I had collard greens. I had mac and cheese, and I had the blueberry lavender mimosa. It was really good. I had 2 of those, and I'm a little tipsy, but it was good.
So you guys, as you can see, we had a lot. We enjoyed our food. Tiffany and Jeremiah said their food could have been hotter. My food was hot, but it was really, really good. And we ordered a lot, but when we got our tickets, it was decent. Thought it was going to be much. Yeah, it wasn't that much. It was really good, you guys. My only complaint is we did make a reservation. We got there at like 11:43 at the T, and a lot of people are coming in with our same reservation and getting seated before us, even though we did get seated before 12:15. Maybe
we had to continue to keep asking. The girl told us to come back around 12:15, but normally when we go other places,
we can just sit down.
They want you to arrive early so that you're not late, so that's what we always try to do. But she told us to wait until around 12:15.
But she wasn't paying attention. She was sitting there with her hair
and looking at her phone. So
that's our only complaint.
She wasn't really working.
But the other girl who helped, she was helpful. She was like,
and the manager was nice. He came around and spoke to everyone, made sure that they were
our food and everything was good.
Service. The food was good, so that was a plus also. So that kind of like outweighed the bad customer service from the young lady that was playing with her hair.
It was only just one bad customer service, but our waitress and everything, she was good. She was really nice. And yeah, we had a pretty much good experience, you guys. We had a good experience. So only thing I have left over is some biscuit and potatoes, which I could have ate, but something for later. But it feels really good outside now, you guys. It really does. Oh, they said that's that thanks for the room. he patted on Jeremiah. But yeah, you guys, that was good. Everything was good. I don't really have nothing else to say. Tiffany, you have anything else to say?
Only thing I have to say is make sure you guys share, like, and subscribe. Y'all be watching our videos, but y'all won't subscribe to our channel. Anyways, thank you so much for watching.